Welcome, friends. I hope you're having a great time. In this exciting video, we'll share a simple and brilliant way to make an efficient alcohol stove, perfect for cooking and heating, especially for camping and outdoor adventures. Let's get started. We'll need 1 or 2 metal cans. It's worth noting that this simple stove is incredibly efficient. It uses very little alcohol and produces no harmful emissions or unpleasant smoke. Follow the video step by step. You might actually need to build this fantastic stove for special occasions, such as camping trips in the woods, road trips, or even just to keep warm. Where are you watching this video from? Share your thoughts in the comments. It's great to connect with friends from all over the world. Remember, friends, to subscribe to the channel, leave a comment on the video, and hit the like button. Thank you so much. Now, let's pour the alcohol into the stove. Perfect! The stove generates enough heat for cooking without smoke, pollution, or any odor. This is thanks to complete combustion, which is the best feature of this technology. Now, let's test the stove to see how efficient it is for cooking. Wow, this is amazing. It only needs a few drops of alcohol and burns for a long time. It's very economical and practical. You won't need firewood, you won't have to worry about lighting it, and you won't have to deal with annoying smoke emissions anymore. If you like the idea, or if you have any questions or suggestions, share them in the comments. I'll be happy to answer them. And don't forget to subscribe to always receive our latest videos. We wish you all happy and blessed times, and thank you for watching and interacting. Goodbye.